Can I jailbreak my Xbox 360 using a USB flash drive?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that's been widely requested: how to jailbreak your Xbox 360 using a USB flash drive. While we're here to provide information, we need to make clear that this is for educational purposes only. It's important to note that modifying your Xbox 360 can void your warranty and even get your console banned from Xbox Live.
What is jailbreaking?
Before we start, let's understand what we mean by jailbreaking. Jailbreaking refers to the process of removing the restrictions placed by the manufacturer on a device, in this case, the Xbox 360. This will allow you to run unauthorized software, backups, and custom firmware. However, this comes with potential risks like bricking your console or being banned by Microsoft.
What do you need?
For this process, you'll need an Xbox 360 console, a USB flash drive with a minimum of 2 GB storage, a computer, the necessary jailbreak file compatible with your Xbox 360 model. Remember, the jailbreak file must be sourced responsibly. Downloading copyrighted content or games is illegal, and we strongly discourage such actions.
How to jailbreak the Xbox 360?
Let's break down the process. 1. Format your USB flash drive. Plug your USB flash drive into your computer, then format it to NTFS. 2. Download the jailbreak file. Download the correct jailbreak file compatible with your Xbox 360 model. 3. Transfer the jailbreak file to the USB. Once the jailbreak file is downloaded, transfer it to your USB flash drive. 4. Connect the USB to the Xbox 360. Disconnect the USB from your computer and then connect it to your Xbox 360. 5. Navigate to the System Settings on the Xbox 360. On the Xbox 360 console, navigate to System Settings, then Storage, then USB storage device, then Games and Apps. 6. Run the jailbreak file. Locate the jailbreak file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the jailbreaking process. And that's a brief rundown of how to jailbreak your Xbox 360 with a USB flash drive. Again, we must stress that this is for educational purposes only, and engaging in such activities can result in consequences such as voiding your warranty or getting banned from Xbox Live. It's always important to consider these factors before deciding to modify your device. We hope this has been informative and enlightening. Until next time, happy gaming responsibly.